So my people, welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel, my people. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. I have some of them from maybe a couple hours ago, and me I tell you, me have so much things till me remember what or what. Right? Me know say you have TK. That are the one where them a kick out of the house, seeing where him boyfriend left him and tell him to take the things them. Seeing you have him and Rosealee and also Miss Triple. Rosealee and Miss Triple kind of catch up over him situation. You know what I mean? Rosealee done him. Then I don't remember who again Rosealee go class. The cat woman, she and Willie must link up and live. The girl named Onella I beat Willie bad over the Dyema situation. Zouma run out for Dyema and says she want say him want justice for Dyema. Him want back Dyema money from Willie, my people. You see me I say Willie him come out and have some things to say also. How we have TikTok liar, you see me, come out and expose the TK youth and the T youth, seeing that are the one where the two of them, the two swim around them, will get kicked out of the apartment. So it look like say TikTok liar do some digging, you know, and come read out them file and class them. Seeing also my people, you have one group of people. Then deal with any wicked them deal with any away my people and say them not sorry for any one bit. Them more feel away for Anna. You so me I say so me have a bunch of things my people. So me could just jump in it right now.
I don't have her now because we officially left. What going to see?
No. Already. I'm looking for the serious and then the area introduce the babes this body again.
So no, we left now for good. What going
to market now, darling?
Then wait till June here.
Brass.
Okay, sweetie, I'll be waiting.
You know, you see.
Argument here, you know.
Enjoy your day, Monsieur.
Brass, say Kim don't let about you're smart.
Ladies. What about the name? Police say where him can make money and have fee money and make on TikTok plus use any money as well.
No, before you go there, so him have a way of coming back because remember say the other day in a real life never did that one.
Exactly.
So him see the first way of coming back and then now him see where how him can get the money out of Annie.
Exactly. Him love sweets, you know. He's a sweetie boy. Him love sweets. And me can't blame him for him like a hustle because I saw some of them like a young boy yesterday. Them not like
all right. Before you go no further, me can't blame him for him like a hustle.
Yeah, so them young
if you don't like a person, don't take them things. Because if the shoes went up on the other foot, if I did I use him, we see him on the come class and
Of course we would. But no, she's a grown woman.
She's a grown. No. She's a grown yam.
Listen. Me not say what him do is right, you know, Lisa. Me not say what him do is right, you know, but just listen what I'm saying. He's a sweetie boy, I love sweets. And this is a grown woman that have been around the world, well, not the world, but you know what I mean. Been around how many relationships and supposed to know the streets and know, say, we're 25.
Let me say this to you, Alyssa. Alright, she been around the world, but you still come out of fear mouth, easy the best man ever treat her. Alright, remember, you know, most of them sweetie truck there, you know. All when they know see you ugly like mug, then go walk and hold your hand. They don't carry out on dates. But if you look on the long term, you know, you not realize you're so delusional that you not realize say, and you are pay for it. You only they look on the carry out or the man a carry out.
This guy is probably 25. Where is the future there?
Alright. For me personally, age is just a number. Because let me say this to you. You can talk to a very young boy and treat you better than even older man. But the biggest thing is, them not like Annie up push part him there, and him now go down push part Annie there. So at the end of the day, for two grown people, that now go nowhere.
And the mother don't like her.
You know, that's me try to tell you, say, them not like him up there, so and him now go a country.
Thank you. So that's what that means. So them have to go move her from both of them own, both community, and go find somewhere upon them own.
So my question is, hold on. So me, Annie, me to call myself Annie now. What did I build up while the roof now? Me have to go move from which part me there. And then now 6 months the relationship or 1 year for now the relationship now work out. You have to go back to the same place where you did reject.
Okay, I have to go let him wherever where him come from. Figure where she there. Because what if she said me now come away? You there because me or people them not like me. So me can't come up there.
Listen,
and you say you not
the biggest red flag is I am a streamer. And if me have to out a road at night time they stream, that now make no sense. Annie, wrap it up and looking at yourself and see the amount of streamer where they get pipe and live. Stop it now, man.
She no come from a place her head back exposed. Them a tell her say, the girl, I know him in a look. No, Annie, I know him. I'm a dog go run up and down in a me yard when name Ronnie. Annie go sit down here. Then it's who? I know him. I know me. The picture. Then who is it in the video? Who is it?
Thank you, Tweety.
No, no, yeah. We don't know. Me feel bad for her still.
Me not feel bad for her. Because stop what like say, Annie, I'm a young girl with the barbz.
I do not feel bad for her.
Me not feel 1 ounce bad about her.
No, me not feel
you know,
bad.
Well, I know. I don't feel bad for Annie. Annie average bad figure. In a real life, whether I don't go like you or not, me more feel bad for Anna because at the end of the day, Anna have nowhere to go. I mean, a lot of people will look at me and say, Anna, but you are making money. You know, just easy if you get up and just walk out of our relationship, so.
True. But why she won't leave up there? Why she so bent to keep that relationship?
Who that,
what
Annie?
She want to feel the media? Where she approve?
Oh, Annie attack?
Yeah, where she approve?
No, I realize that make Annie the look argument for yesterday she left. You look, I cannot say that. Yeah, some man very manipulative. If you don't look argument with them, you can't left.
She look like she want left when them send the video. They just send the video girl last night with the man and the man show her text messages. Wow, with it this week.
Listen, me in a real life, me not believe the video and the text. You know why? They said the video sat the Ghana when they call the girl on phone. They say when last I talk to police, he said they meet up sometime in April and her mother they need him money. So you know realize how that a skit.
Jimmy choose to pick them and take care of themselves.
The girl said the girl come sit down right beside her. I think him and the girl in a something. You know, if he said something go on with it.
Listen, let me say this to you. He feel like saying have a girl, but him a play both of them. Cause girl say him tell him say Annie and him money. It's just for the media. So at the end of the day, there is indeed a girl.
Something going on. We just don't know how recent that probably that video. Him sleep with that whoever.
I don't believe no video neither, no, cause we tell you say police always at the video man.
Oh, we don't know what going with them. That was just big, dirty carelessness. We have big old woman and her them left a country just a galams.
You're 14-year-old, you're 17-year-old.
You from when me dislike.
People, me tell you say this social media thing, I have it as entertainment, you know, so everything what I go on social media, I don't really take it too serious. But them are people up on the panel that look like say them take everything serious, you know what I mean, literal. You see me, them don't know say some of them people that come sell with some story and make some money and know say yo I eat that for them. This are them job and yes them work. You know what I mean? Them have to invent new thing every day. You notice when Pinkwaller post Annie, a skit queen them call her. You see me, I say, you have to know, say, yo, enough of them story are not real. So that's why I'm not read too deep into the stories where them put out there on social media, especially TikTok, because a whole heap of sell themselves story, you know what I mean? But let me know all the things still, we watch some more.
Annie, I'm not going to say me eat her because that's a strong word. No. So she paid Jayden the money for buy the door, and Jayden gave her $500. $500, $350, $52,000. So 500 should get about $70,000. And you don't buy a door up to fucking no with the $500. She don't buy a door all tight.
And then the little young people them in our relationship, it just look big and careless. And like them a clown a road. It look
careless. Of course they clown him out.
It look careless. Just look careless. And I like see, but you know.
And the last time I did on our live and the woman them in our box is that them what they are doing, they're literally blaming Jayden and barbz.
Yes.
You can't blame Jayden and barbz. They have no blame. They never make a video. Them get some sort of video out and them just tell her. barbz was even encouraging her. barbz say, Annie, if a police, you know, if you go back a country, you know, if you go on back here, just take up your things and go back home. Because barbz is not comfortable with she and police together. I don't know if anybody see, but that's what I see.
So, but it's like you don't really want. It's like nobody want to tell her what to do with her life.
You don't want to come out and say it to her.
Yeah.
But he did tell her, leave and go home.
Because she don't have water. She don't have a proper structure up there. That don't make no sense.
That's love. It must have been love. But it's over now.
I know me wouldn't say TikTok money curse. You see mackerel.
So mackerel make you like that.
Yeah, money no curse.
Hats off to mackerel. Congratulations to mackerel. Hats off to fucking mackerel.
She alone. I know she alone. 6 no.
Wait about the age group.
You know, when my guy name in her car rental business and Chabas us open club, TikTok money no curse is what you do with it.
Exactly. But mackerel is younger than fucking Annie.
All of them, mackerel younger than all of them.
Is what you do with it.
Mackerel makes sense. Mackerel, even mackerel be in a room and it empty, mackerel is still around a place. That's hers. Nobody can put her out of it. Mackerel open a business. That's ambition and goals. Hats off to mackerel. Congratulations. And them big old girl with them big, and with their big grey bumbo. We're coming like I weigh 2,000. I pay for khaki and for suckwood. I would have shot and with a bag of shit.
Jesus, you pepper one? You pepper one?
Enjoy our youth. So I like how try live it.
Good clot. And you hear that? Sugar go shot you with some pepper shit. So careful at all if you see sugar up, you know, Annie. Cause Annie, listen, Annie, sugar live next door to police, so careful.
Yo, it grieved me, Lisa. I have your kids, them. I know you're pitting them.
Sugar. So when Annie let you on this shit, you catch over your yard?
Look, so.
If you never catch over my yard, that whoop my mouth and flame, but don't in our throat.
This is a hurt nearby, Annie, so careful. You passed up on the road last night.
Disgusted, man. Disgusted.
You know how you find it comfortable. You're on live. Your mind is blood clot, boy. And you pick them one look after. Yeah, but I'm going to tell you.
Annie, sugar said when you catch up on the road again in the ras, yo.
You know, so my face so she used to live all her life. You know, them mother, they will find new man eyes, left them pitney and then they work out, they run.
But yeah, talk about that. Who remember when Annie just come on the media when him and Anna catch up? What you said to him, say, Anna, me look forward to you. Remember you used to take care of me, cause them and something, so
yes,
okay.
I saw she used to live. When they find man, they run, go away. And then come back.
I left them
Remember, so what she name they used to say, that's why she and her mother don't have a good relationship. Rose, remember she said that's what her mother used to do. Mm-hmm. She don't see her mother for much weeks and months. And her mother used to go away. Some of them leave kids with a lot of trauma.
I'm telling something, Lisa. Sometimes it's not what we're doing, it's how we do it, you know. I know what we do, how we do it, but alright. I say a single mother then, alright. I use myself as an example. I'm a single mother. I have my kids, them father not support them, father gone. He may go sell me tunny, I may go sex to a man. Me not sleep out in Alicia.
Let me try to show you.
Me not, Alicia, me never go at night. I call him and I say, look here, Me I come about 11 o'clock tomorrow, an idea. And me got the man, take a little sex, collect a little money, and go in a coronation market, go and buy a little blood clot food and go home and cook for my picnic there, but me not sleep out left them with the boy.
You see that? That's some good mother. Them no see, so them go if you all months.
I repeat, them can't come a year for the 2 months or the 3 months. Me not come. If I one bed you have, I pick them up for the one bed and me hold the floor.
You know,
if you want that much, that's how we're gonna play the fucking game.
You know what me hate to say? Woman, when they, every time they have a new man, them introduced to the pit of them. So
Them pity them.
Uncle Bob, next month Uncle Charlie, Uncle Mike, I hate that shit. I hate it.
I'm not the perfect mother. I'm not the perfect woman. I've done things in my past I'm not proud of, but I'm going to tell you something. Me no chairman got man. Me have all 10 man. None of them know my yard, Alicia.
True. Get 10 man.
I meet everybody up a crossroad or off a tree. You not know my yard.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, I make my pick them sit dick time and arrow
No, hurry.
No,
Exactly.
do that.
But for anyone else, fast part because remember they're the photographer.
Oh, well, that is true.
You see what they share police are go and you have your daughter take.
Your first date, and that's the way you don't even know 6 months ago.
Mm-hmm. Like,
to me, I know I need to protect. To me, I need to protect me kind of Mika protect Annie.
I feel smelly. I have to go carry my kid go to school, so me come back up when you jump.
Alright, baby.
So I know Mika protect Annie. Annie protect Mika.
This is one time I remember they do with that man in the man asked me say one time. You don't live nowhere.
Thank you, Outdoors. Okay, a long time I see you. Outdoors, a long time I see you. Come here.
One is a mess to blood clean, Jaja.
Nah, so me just can't grow. Me just can't wrap my head around the situation. So hold on. So you think about Dyema last night now?
Me have to say this for people. Annie, you're worthless. Yeah, you're worthless, Annie. You know why I say you're worthless? Because if you don't have on a door by your house right now, you're worthless. And your dad at them on the yard and you look where you go fix up in the yard, you know, you look where you go fix up in the house. And you know, look on for your house and say you go fix up that. You're worthless, Annie. You know what I mean? But in Annie's defense for people, she did buy something with the money with the Lion Man sent her. You see me I say? And I don't think that the Lion Man sent her the money if you buy a door. You see me I say? If you buy material for your house, that she beg the money for. You know what I mean? She beg the money if you buy material for your house because she want put up a room or something. You see me? But if Annie I look for fix up the man place with fear money and she a fear place so want fix up, you won't listen Annie. You know what I mean? Me love Annie still, but me just have to call a spade. Right? So let me know one thing with people. Or what some more.
Dyema the vent and Willie the vent.
Mr. Dyema play one song there. And Willie say I go fight for Dyema.
Fight for me. Listen. I want the police Annie, you're not fight for Dyema. You fight for Dyema money, so stop it.
Thank you, Lisa.
So I want why how we have so much sweet chop on the app? Oh, we have so much sweet chop on the app, you.
Thank you, Lisa. Something obviously look like Dyema left really mentally long time.
Make Willie go sit down. him need to fight for him. Hey, Lady Powell. Lady Powell. Hold on. Since when Lady Powell come over here, they chose violence now.
No, Lisa, the truth. Me and you know how America run now.
No, before you go further, especially don't go in there.
Exactly. Exactly. And that thing if you fight for. Yeah, I have pitney. I have pitney them if you worry about if you say, yo, if we get deep, how me pitney, I go and manage. Where you talk about you fight the Dyema?
But the situation even better than me think of me when think across the fence in come. As since he come up, me can realize say
if boy was a big baller. A big baller, you want a girl where that's what I mean understand. You see a young boy and then just sick me stomach because you run through so much female in a foot lot of deal. You couldn't lock down one and just stay faithful for
yeah, but I know. That's why now we me don't sorry for Nicky Blacks because tell you somehow no time no have a name, no make use of no name. Them boy we could get them papers without not there with nothing at all. You understand what I mean?
Yeah. But even if you are good there with somebody, at least lock them down until you get the papers, you go and go run the road.
Right now, me see all one girl coming my girl name Cute Bask comment. Once I spent $10,000 in a 2 months. So the boy look like him a real sweetie chuck.
Yeah man.
Willie?
Yes.
They mind him because he thinks say my hot boy. Remember say such man they say Willie do a burn a girl in DM and get money from them and kind of sick. Remember such boy come bust it up, man. So that's all Willie do. Instead of trying to sort out himself. Like, me not understand how them do it. First of all, when me did come America for my visa, my mother that sort me out. And at the time, remember you know you get up in an age. And me did talk to somebody and if I'm saying on the papers, me gone because me I said just in case my mother not sort out me good. Me can't there, so me have to find some papers and my papers did a sort out. So you can just imagine. No sir. And that thing if you boy fight for, that you fight for.
And you know say them are the zone out from Willie mentally from the other day though, from before.
But you talk about that here, what Dyema say come out of jail and somebody call him and tell him and Willie tell him.
See?
That Dyema say?
Yep.
Yes. And bear in mind, say Willie chat the girl with everybody. People that call Dyema from jail.
People that call Dyema from jail, kind of all in a jail, they chat too much different woman and Dyema.
In a jail, I talk to how much other woman and people have called Dyema from jail and tell Dyema. And
So
you can't
a question. So alright, people call she until she say him come from jail. And she come from the big money and flag off her.
No. Let me correct the part there.
No, she did. We had gone.
Hold on, man. Just say, and this is the same English man, yeah. Tell him to go and go look for him because he know what it is to come out of jail. So he at least want to she want to go closure. Yeah. So the man already did buy him the ticket, but he come back when he up come beg you.
Yes. That's what she said.
So the man look like him want your med too.
Remember say a little boy Dyema take up, you know.
That should not treat me no baby. Cause guess what? They never get man that even the red cat with the upper of the power them couldn't get that from it. I forgot Jamaica. I don't know what happened with me now.
Yeah, little boy Dyema take up because this one look like he no more than 20, 19.
Yeah, about 20, so when I look at 10. Because you know British. Remember say you know if foreign man them fast food blow them up, you know.
Yes, and it's so it's a mango tree. Go on, sir. Come on, mango tree. Yes. No, I could not bug today. So, me no know where Dyema take up this one and find out about a British passport, this year British. Girl, please. That not say nothing.
Circle, Dyema we a circle. Well, I know. Dyema we a circle you back 3 months for enough, you know what the boy.
And then the boy come a your yard. A your yard, the boy, they love home. If you not mind them, you home them. Cause Rusty there a your yard, the other little young one where used to freak the girl down the road for you, did there a your yard. So
Alright, my people. I want you to tell me what you think about Dyema and her luck when it comes to man. You feel like she choose the wrong man them all the time, or maybe she have low self-confidence because she always talk to younger youth and she feel like if she not give them money and have them her yard, it's like she not go able to keep them because Dyema sexy and look good, you know. Any young boy that spend money on her, you know. And then again, my people, it look like say the man them want Dyema no want them because even the rest did want Dyema. The rest used to spend on Dyema a certain way, you know what I mean? But Dyema never used to deal with the rest like how she deal with all Willie and, you know what I mean, Monster and them youth that we used to knock it. You see me? So let me know what you think. We'll watch some more and then we move on.
Then nobody know the yard, everybody have to come, lady?
I need to say Ross is a treat her good.
Yeah, Ross is the minor. She's a good time
Ross is a treat her so damn good. Ross.
Ross is a cheater real good. I don't know why she left for us.
I think she used to fuck already before already and alive. Already used to give her money.
I don't know about you fight for Dyema. And you need your papers. I let you worry about you come out of jail like situation. You end up for a whole year.
But see what me hear she say, all the moderator, and she go in there in the day that she go in there and phone and she text message with my chatter with
other woman. And you still stay the whole of the time? But I lift up that hey, me different, you know? Me different cause the same time me find that sugar, me not ask Christ, me lift up that day the meal lift up, me not ask Christ.
So what, alright, why women saying things like that? What is it to be said that, oh, I have a man?
Low self-esteem.
But she want closure. Me no want no closure, baby. Once me find that me gone.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Baby.
One thing what me did, I think if he must spend, like I say, my girl I sent him 10 grand in I spent 10 grand on him. And that must say 20 she spent, she don't want to draw for a receipt. Why you know just pay somebody or make one of them pay somebody save me trouble for not pretend for deal with somebody because you know want nobody.
right?
So might as well pay somebody and save yourself with stress with the money them with the girl.
20,000 US sugar with Jamaica. 20,000 US.
20K US, she said you know,
Yes.
for TikTok, she said for selling her clothes and her partner.
And when she take this too, when she go up a foreign go look for him other day, she bring clothes come give the boy.
Yeah, she bring clothes and she said she bring a big bowl of cream, Lady Pearl. She said she bring a big bowl of cream too and purple jeans. So I know those 20K flat at 20K plus things.
Oh yeah, this is called gas and Darcy. Blood
choose to give Bill money,
Lisa, Lisa, the official example of a choke kaki partner now get the job because she really use a partner job.
She get the computer job. She better Louise. Get the computer job.
She said she go up there for things that she want make her money back. Think she make back the money and not make back the money.
Yeah, and this is first time one time they kick off. They say our people the Willie account as soon as we say you might make our money take off our account off and PayPal.
And he must make one look of money and every minute he say send back $100 when she done about $400 for life. Other day she asked him for $300 and you know that piece her off too because when she asked him for $300 he might give her excuse and can't send it. So that really put the icing on the cake for her. So, favorite, them are gonna bring you down. No matter what. No matter what, for you know their favorite, them are gonna bring you down and nothing you say them it a go justify nothing. Nothing what you do, nothing what you say. You understand? At that point I don't know. Like right now I just there keep quiet. If you understand what I say. Nothing what you say, nothing what you do. Because if you notice yesterday when Jabba's request me, I don't know if you're there or not. Me and Jabba stayed up on the screen or whatever. Ain't chat to bring me down. What we gonna do? I'm gonna do them. So you just have people who don't like you, people that's not gonna like you, and people don't feel like you. You know, them just see and just not like you. Nowadays, it's no reason why them don't like you. They just see you and just don't like you. Them just see you and not like it. It not have to be no reason. And that's what. And then if, alright, you know what I notice? If you ever go on some screen record, one person say, me not like Kitty. Everybody, me not like Kitty. But if you go on here and one person say, Kitty attack truth, everybody, Kitty attack truth. Nobody in the pan have no mind of their own. It's a trend. Exactly. It's a trend. Everybody have to go on the trend. Everybody have to stay up on the trend. Everybody have to do certain things. Everybody have to... You just can't bother them. I just say go. If I am them favorites again, it don't make no sense. So right now, I'm stop answer them. I know my page gone. Mama 5, thank you for the heart, me. No matter what you do, not what you say, you can't justify them. You know, yesterday with Mary Chris. EXO, not even really see when you join. Guys, you know, see nobody out there to play in a match with everybody in a match. My sprint been taken for a long time, that's why I say stuff for like negativity. Yeah, stuff for like, I'm not answering nobody. On my page I go away, you know. Remember my page gone about 2 weeks ago. They can't move their stagnant. Chat, triple chat. Hello. Tell her the rest of price. Hello. Because I can't remember everything out of my head. That's why I stop telling her the price. I can't remember everything. But a bab wig nice. Me too. I'm going to pass them. What you talk about? No, she said tell her the rest of the price. So I said, I don't remember. Say no, everything. Stop right there. So you see that bab wig, them I get, and we'll defeat this. So I the fix it. Yeah. The girl stop right there. So she don't want to ask no more price. Because she Mama 5 like me. Natty like me. I tell 2 bab wigs. No, that's alright. Stop as them. Them Areta support me. I support Mackerel. Remember me no there Jamaica. Mackerel, I will send. Send what? Where we send? Chat with the camera, good on money, good on Galaxy. Triple chat. That's triple murder. Use the triple chat, money gun. Don't call it a Galaxy. One money gun, one and art, one do that. Promise. Mommy soon come still. Thank you, guys. Guys, when you can help me and recharge now. Yeah, Crystal, our baby mother. And somebody Crystal, you know, say Crystal. We can make good and money gonna do that. Crystal, they were with me before I'm pregnant, after I'm pregnant, and when I'm pregnant, same way.
My people, let me tell you about TikTok. You see, TikTok is not for the weak and faint-hearted. You see me, I say, you see, if you're too like good and nice, as me always say, my people, don't be nice, because people will take you for a walk over whenever you're too much of a nice person. You see me? You see TikTok have a gorilla people. You know what I mean? Where deep up on you the least mistake you make or anything. You see me? The cat woman, she too nice for TikTok, Bridging. You know what I mean? Me I tell her that she too nice for TikTok. Although she have her time when she will get out and these people still, but on a level she have too much of a good personality certain way. TikTok have a drunk. Look on the people them will kind of make it certain way upon TikTok. If them now have to develop thick skin. You see me I say, alright, look on Rosealee. Who remember when Rosealee did just come out on TikTok? Who remember? The least little thing they said to Rosealee, her be balling. You see me I say, Rosealee used to be one little person where, you know what I mean? He never to take on nobody certain way where try to, you see me? People, you see after Rosealee start make her millions, have her millions, blood, as you slip you slide. Look how Rosealee dominate TikTok. She's not that person that she used to be when she just forward on TikTok. So you have to find some way to toughen up yourself, Bridging. You can't be lightweight and dip on TikTok. Them are going to take this advantage of you. May I tell you that? Make you watch some more.
Come here, and have a Shanake one. Shanake, I don't put it away there. I don't give Shanake no, you're crazy. Shanake fuck for you, Shanake. Some girl, them fuck them, and then I fuck you know, I'm telling you to stop fucking up, you know. You have to fuck with Carl these days. That's why I'm not fucking on my career, because two me know say me ever tired and sit now. Me can't go up on body right now, because me go broke it down. Me go Me tired body now. So me can't stand up straight or sit down straight or wind straight. My foot them I go give blood clot. Oh yeah. Say here one now. Me stop. No,
That's the camp power tap.
Yeah. Triple me friends is not gonna follow me. I'll just tell the truth by ya. Me I gotta tell you where you gonna make Shibada come out and tell you tomorrow morning. Ya give hypocrite. Cause the internet never run with Tiki and him story you wouldn't itch up there talk about you like him. Me gotta tell you what the girl I'm gonna type in the comment section. If the Jayden over the live I said the don't machine blood clot lion, you make people sit on a literary tell us I'm a bad mind you. Triple you me and you know me live nowhere. So I'm wonder me for bad mind you. Me and you and me know say me just I make the people them sit down and tell you, oh, she bad man, because Jayden I shoot you up. And you sit down and you ball and you do the things them and the things them and the things them. Right? And you do over there, you ride with Jayden and 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 I left you. I just left you, make you. Triple she always enough up. I saw them stay. This is the net. There's nothing funny about blood clot Tiki. All Tiki do is sit down and class woman. Because I'm a alone Tiki class, you know. Tiki class K, Tiki class Anya. K a trouble Tiki. Anya trouble Tiki. Come to say when you speak positivity. What is positive about him a class Anya and in a trouble him? What put me aside. Come like you say me a play victim. Put me aside. What is positive in my class and your class K? I'm reaching a Russian in your marriage story. I'm start class Fabi. Fabi not trouble him. Fabi don't even trouble this little blood clot boy. And those people are your friends as well. No, we ain't have nothing.
Hi. Chat, to be honest with you, you see, if me, for malice everybody, walk cause somebody by so, I will be playing with myself. You see, if me, for malice everybody want me talk to, will have a beef with somebody else, I would not be playing with anyone on TikTok. Nobody. Not even one person. Nobody I wouldn't be playing with. There is a difference. You see, when me and them depend the life, they cannot talk about them. Them have to class them when I'm not there. Them not go class them in front of my face and me sit down and look so. And listen. For once me here, I'm gonna say something. So if me for malice everybody walk cuss, who me go talk to? I me never see nobody buy your cuss and no chat back. Me never see it. The only person me see no talk back yet on TikTok. But never yet talk back Ashay and Rosealee. Me not see nobody else who allow no malice by you so. So then I me everybody that block me then. Then I block me. Mood have me talk to nobody. Even at one people conspire, there's no way you expect me to malice everybody want conspire on TikTok. You just don't do it by me. You don't do it in my presence. Worse if I'm a friend. Simple.
God forgive me for saying this. I don't care how clash me neither. And no, me ever dominate him, me not like him. She body know me not like your fam. She body know me not like and I'm seeing her like me spitting at your blood clad face. But me, rosealee can back your panda one ya. He said, Uno say, Uno speak, and Uno go back Tiki, back Shibara.
Nobody's not backing Tiki. Who the back Tiki? Sheba say me back Tiki at the end of her life. Guys, me had to go back. Remember say other day, you know. With the whole thing, I black Tiki, you know. And two Tiki trip out pan the cuss one day, me go for the for calm him down. I suck on me and black him. Who the back him? Helping somebody is not backing them. Helping somebody and not back them, you know. Me never back him. But him never have no when would I go him never have no help and me did that right there. Me did that on the screen. Me if you do like me never did that. Me could do like me never did that. You have some people chat who are just talk and not do nothing. You have some people who see your problem and come and just talk and not help you. Me not stay safe. Me a talk, me a spit out my money. You see, if me a talk to help you, me not chat to waste your time. My money have to come out too. Me have to do something too. Me not have to tell you chat. My counseling no go so. My counseling go with action. So me not go talk to nobody for chat sake. For people say true, right, or facts. Me I do what me have to do and then me leave. My counseling not go without action. So you see, if me I talk to somebody, me I try to fix the issue and go about me day. Me not just talk to say talk sake. Me I do something. Me not depend on you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't. Too late for that now. What you do now? What you do now? Me not depend on. God will.
Now get this story twisted. Me not like when I twist up story. Me not like when I come on a fake page and twist up story. Cause let me tell you this on the internet. I don't know who can class who the most. I don't know who can class who the most get kinds here. I don't know who can bring down who the most. At the hottest match you play ever in your lifetime. And I hit all gear. The strength, the energy, and the support. The hottest match ever. When the match hot, and the two team are playing, and that will bring her the kind, and that will bring her the money, and that will bring her the viewership. And when they done shoot out and they reach where you reach on the ranking board, you can say, okay, I'm done for the day. Sometimes I chew me like come here and defend myself. Come go defense and make you see me answer to bitch fire. But don't come on my platform and look at me and tell me that I need to answer a dog or a fly to get a money gun. Me not gonna make them walk for me fire. Me not gonna make them bully me because me oversized and me have this, and me have this, and me have this. While too, one of my dear one people them go reach out one tribbles and send me a line and I make like he dance. It's still a boil on to one of my dear one people them I go reach out one wheel and send me anything at all and send me. It all I go boil on to that. Somehow not really make no sense just so.
Only on the day I come here chat. So I don't need this. Me want to talk, I can't talk too. But me not have to argue. Me not have to argue, you know. My mastermind that appear so good. You know not send shit when the crowd did it. Appear type when you want type and chat and lip. Cause see them have 3.6k people here, so I'm not enter the ranking. If Tiki even want to win that, now have nothing to do with me. I was never put out on the streets before. I was never put out on the streets before. So Tiki want to win that, now have nothing to do with me. But the people them was still gonna talk about positivity. Him can always win. Him can always win. But the people them must say them look positivity where I play hypocrite now because them I look clout. And that burn me. Tiki can always win. Because if Tiki did a blood clot win, as one I say, Triple would never buy him grocery last week. I would have him buy total and pocket time I win. So what the win? Where are the winnings? Where's the winnings? If Tiki did a win, Triple would never buy him grocery last week and a $500 US dollar that. A $500 US dollar that. Someone oh yeah when you can't feed yourself. Oh yeah when you can't feed yourself. Oh yeah win and them and them throw you out and you still I smell like a rent it for put you up. You don't even have documents in a foreign. And you win. Oh yeah win. Oh you're winning. Nurse Brown took out one loan for pay a liar for you come out of the church and I know you not pay about Nurse Brown. When I go always blood. When Trev come out with the voice note them and I try to defend himself. When I always make Trev look like the bad person. And Tiki say it. And you sit up on the blood, you sit up on the vice call, you know. Triple is sir. Me I wonder sometimes I wonder about the triple. He said it. The boy paid the call when him said to him, say, Tiki, why you make me look up on the net? And if the Trev me can't do anything, tomorrow me can't come tell him, say, yeah, I'm a man and I'm have to work with it. So unless I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna beat up my blood clot gum. Someone I gotta just go on. Yeah. Triple me not go class you. Triple me not go class you. I go wait until the grand finale. And when the grand finale come, all of you will come here so. Triple me your friend over the blood clad years. A 3 month worth of friendship. Now 4 month worth of friendship. You understand? Triple, you are the one over here was.
Hey people, you see woman are some of the fool S. I don't know if there's such a word, fool-less. But woman, them don't know them danger enough time, you know. And the same thing, we are gonna freak them up. And the same thing they support. Because woman endorse Batman. Woman make them feel like so them can come out and act like them and go on with themselves because them promote it and them not frown upon them behavior. Them support the behavior of the Batman them. See? Watch out. The same body man them I go take with them man. You see me I say? And at the same body man them I should be in at the front line. And them have a thing, twins of twins me hear say it. Say anyhow you want Jamaican people to accept any little dirty nastiness, just make them laugh. Make that little dirty nastiness make them laugh. And you see, the same thing where Rosealee I say I know, say Miss Triple I say this youth here make she laugh. So that outweigh everything where him say. The whole life foolishness them and the messed up things them where he say. Because he make you laugh. Anything goes, him can do anything. You see me I say? Let me know what you think, my people.
See, all blood clot, all when them cancel him, say more lick up Maya and the whole on a draw west down in one corner. I know you got to tell me say Tiki funny. So when Tiki over I say wait. Wait, me I go look for it, wait. Me I go find what funny in this. Go forward, me not lie. Hey, that baby a sweetie. What I say? No, why? You said, no, Triple said Tiki funny. I want to know what funny about this. I sir fire come. Jesus, I baby sweet. Go for me, not lie. Hey, that baby a sweetie. What I say? And you are opposite to speak positivity and Tiki funny. I mean, what funny in that? Now look pound, not positive. And I'm doing it on a regular basis. So why I want to do say Tiki take one page out of Shibada book. Because if Shibada do it and it's okay, and Destiny do it and it's okay, he can do it when it's okay too. It's okay. So don't talk about positivity. Because people do positivity don't mix in drama and take them acrosses. Big dirty drama. Fine when I come too far if you get black. But I rather black them because you know me don't need some of these bitches.
You understand? So the man, him, and then him and Tiki.
At some point, check the Lord and a bother.
Yeah, man, in the Lord, to about to look at the man house.
Tiki Lord and a bother him shouldn't even make it be a problem because
yes, because that reach him to a New Yorker in that do the live now. And then Tiki said when he meet him now, okay. Look, then get Trevor piece of sentence. Make a sign the video and make you hear the sentence. So when time Tiki now, so when time he meet Tiki now, he tell Tiki say he want to get on social media and he tell Tiki the amount of dirty, and all of these things. All of these things he might tell Tiki. And he might try to get on social media. So Tiki say he might go up on him on the roof and then go make one video and post it as so comes now them start. You know? No. Dash them way. Give them way, put them on the curb in New York, make somebody take them up. And that the money that we spend, because here he say no, he spent $2,400 plus mostly $800 pound gas. Plus now he left Florida, he spent one next $1,200 plus gas money. You could have buy one brand new bedroom set plus TV plus everything else. The stuff that we are having on the wish list, all you have to do, you wait till you get your apartment, you make people send you the things in the wish list. Like, who does say that the boy they have sense? The boy up and down 95. And who rent U-Haul? When people are moved, they go at Home Depot and get the van. U-Haul expensive. Yeah, idiot?
Liar, you hear me?
Yeah.
You know, say you're hypocrite.
No. What me do?
If Trevor to buy a new map and pot and sweet and a 2-piece of baby bed, when I mean, if you move in a U-Haul truck and it can't.
No, I people them buy and no him buy. Pepper and no him buy.
Pepper.
I know him buy. All me do. Alright, so the people them buy something them fee me not something there, right? So the people them buy wish list and then you end up having me. I carry one of them rascal staples, I return them and get credit. And when I reach back in Florida, I buy them over. Music credit, Amazon credit, I buy back over every damn thing. That is what I would do.
Me feel like so when he move come from New York to Florida, him never have those things because he never have them then I chucks I sweet and he clothes and Tiki and June and they move with. Because remember that when you reach Florida, everything start to ship, you know.
Oh, exactly.
So when blood clot to teach him to move, not chip, not no man Tiki tools, garbage bag and film tree, garbage.
That never make no sense. He could have shipped the sweet to them.
That's what I'm telling you. Sometimes some people are living.
He don't have no sense. He don't have no sense. No matter.
He never drive no one. You all talk and do it.
I don't know where to 1 hour at travel over New York City with it then.
So
you have experience.
So they never make Junior drive film drive with that cheaper.
They don't have to drive nothing up on Frontier.
No. And then he have money as I just go this over road this.
I don't feel money because he walk and beg the people them the money say he talking no flavor talk. He never want to give it talk. He never want to give it talk. And that's what I talk about. That's why I come and bust out the vice from them.
I'm five garbage bag in travel with 2 for ticket 3.
That don't make no sense, people.
You know things that
Trevor like he have some Picasso and them stuff. That people we have things we can't move. Trev, I don't see you move nothing worth nothing. But you know your ticket say the idiot did want to if you go buy furniture, put it in the truck and then go out. So ticket say no furniture Florida cheaper.
Right. Like Trev disappointed because him never know say there was level to ticketing.
Yeah.
Same reach.
You know, amazingly dear, you don't need no moving company. Trev don't have not one ship moving.
Hey, me people, the other day me tell you know about like America and the type of things them where you can what would I say again like say there's opportunity, yeah, but you have to manage the opportunity very well because you will find yourself end up out a road and it's hard to come back from that. You have a thing on them call credit. Me don't know how much you can borrow. You see me as a person, but you see once you're an American citizen, whether you're born there or you get the citizenship, you get a level of credit where you can take out whatever you want. You can take out a vehicle without money. I think without money. See, you can, I believe you can maybe get the live cash if you want, but it a go up on your name. See, and at that them use that your identity right through. So you have to manage the money there properly because once you put yourself in a debt, seeing and your credit, I think your credit score maybe go up or go down. I don't remember exactly where how it go. But you have to have it a certain level. If it pass a certain level, well, you have a whole lot of money to pay back, and then you can't get no for rent, you can't get no vehicle for drive unless you go buy it cash in a somebody else's name. It's like basically you can't use your name, do nothing at all. Once you mash up that credit there, you mash up your name, you mash up your identity. You see me I say, so you look like say that this a youth you do, and I used the youth you know to try get back, you know what I mean, and pay off some of the loan them. So all of them something where them are going with on social media, this and that and or something where maybe them plan up to come trick the people them to get likes and views and gifts. You see me? Moment me know what you think. We watch some more people.
And the plan go to the left.
Nothing work moving, never have. Trevor one table where you see a bed.
You understand?
Trevor one TV where you could go to Walmart and get one $300 TV and we go a brand smart.
On the internet and feel like them can't.
Hold on there, guys. Trev have one bed with one table where you see a bed. Trev have one TV when you could go to Walmart and get one TV for $300. Trev, what else he have? One Chester drawer. What else, Trev? Trev don't have nothing of value.
And he have a 3 garbage bag.
Trev just
nothing have a value.
Make it. Trev plan go to the left.
52 garbage bag.
Trev thinks
those money we spend for you all, put them on the curb in New York and make people them take up and go on with it. And you go to Florida and go buy over and start life.
And the plan never work out because he never knows that so much people love Tiki.
So you
we buy candy too, you know, I buy candy.
Your belly for run for you, right?
No, man, I buy candy because of the support of Tiki. Because when you
your belly for run, I don't care if I Tiki you buy it for your belly for run.
I met Tiki and Jamaica in April. I may get Tiki and money and Tiki tell me say I want to live in New York, but circumstances him have to move. So I give him a little change, you understand? And Tiki say is a lot of candy Trev sell in all him life. So Trev him thinks that him rich. So him thinks that him use Tiki enough so him could have afford to pay the rent on him own. So him start show Tiki bad face. And him never knows that there is levels to Tiki thing. Him never knows that because him put on Tiki, you know, if you hear him talk, him put on Tiki, he thinks that Tiki beneath him.
He feels him better than him.
Yes, because it was yesterday upon him like him talk about Tiki dark skin and them other rather think Tiki is a gunman and thinks that him are the saint. That was his exact word. So him thinks that Tiki is beneath him, but him never.
You know, me hear Trev say one night when they out in a like they go movies, one girl stop Tiki and I say hi and something as the girl walk off. You know, the girl more stinky. Yeah.
Jesus.
Funny live, the girl at least the girl never put her face on the live, you know, but obviously the girl stop Tiki and much Tiki up and so as the girl pass, I'm more stinky.
Trev, Tiki itself come meet me at Jamaica Avenue in our time. I have to sell it one eye shirt.
He was there in April because I saw him. He was there.
Look. What me say me do? Me do one look.
You stupid idiot. Oi! Hello!
Yo, where I say?
Hello, me I talk to you. Calm down your blood clot, big head, big nerves, Silver. Understand this. Don't call me pussy clot name over here with no Jelani. You see me I run back a blood clot, Jelani. How long me a Jelani left? Why when people are put on you not pick up? I am a single woman. I wanna see a man get up every day and talk about me and man. Me and the man not together. Wanna come on for me now.
Oh, you say you graduate from your academy.
I never done no blood clot, yeah. Me just love my man. There's a difference. Me I don't know bumper pussy ras clot, yeah. Me love my blood clot, man. And me go sit down and go through any and everything with that blood clot boy there. Cause I did my man, but he's not my man anymore. And we're not going through anything anymore. You can't leave me alone now.
Alright, good pum pum deal. Love you. Big up.
Bye bye.
Right. Dyema. Somebody send call Dyema because D, listen to me, chat. D is not no yam. Leave her alone. You understand? Let me see if I say Dyema and blood clot chat because Dyema have to come now. Dyema need justice for your money. Willie Dyema need that 20,000 you should spend on the woman need justice. Willie Dyema need back our money. 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 Alright. But now I say nothing more. Shall play a game? Let me see me can see them upon the blood clot and upon the plug, guess so.
Go on.
Good morning. Fabio, Wagwan. I'm going to check for you now. I'm going to see one screen card with you see me live with woman. Fabi, you know, say I look out trolling, you know that. But Fabi, listen, me have to say to you. You see, anyway, there, stay. You look so refreshing, you look so marvelous. You understand to me? And me glad the day you walk. Me glad the day you go. Because if you never blood clot go, your face that drop down, you have to hold woman. Because them they want hold you up. Me gonna shake up and me gonna stand up and you rise up and you buck up your shoes and you run.
Two more Zouma, shut up, please.
Me gonna run. What do you mean by 2 more?
2 more Zouma, shut up, me say.
What do you mean by 2 more?
There are 2 more. No, yo.
What do you want, Fabi?
Be me an idiot? But Fabi, I like how you run, I like how you do this, I like how you do that.
Fabi, I don't hear what I say. Fabi, what do you mean by blood clot 2 mouth? Eh?
Triple chat, use the triple.
My side, use a triple chat. We get back to a mix up. My side, use a triple chat because I can't stay over here with Fabi. Because listen to me, I say Fabi though. Fabi listen to our chat and she knows that the comment association and mix up. Why do you come live and I look at joke and say Fabi live with a woman? No, Fabi graduate back to a woman. She take it personal. You understand to me, but this is Fabi young. You have to see with her. Remember say she young, chat. Whenever just remember say she young. I'm a come and say no answer Fabi, me glad they run. Fabi I say me a 2 months. It's like me and Jayden sing and chatter, which is me don't know about that. You understand me, but chat, listen to me. She a glow. I'm gonna look a glow. But Fabi, you take time for a big seed though. My side catch a speeder. You take time for a big seed. My side catch a speeder chat. One money gonna catch a speeder chat, cause that your heart. One money gonna catch a speeder chat because that your heart. My side catch a speeder chat. Boy, Jayden, woman, them can't favor you. Now, what do you favor Ash? No, you favor big seed. Well, Rosalie, that's a big seed. If you're a big seed, so. My side, catch a speed. My side, catch a speed. My side, catch a speed. We'll go back to mix.
Just avoid them something every. Yo.
Tell them I say me I come right after this because I come fix your business.
Come
my
on,
side, use
the triple chat. Use the triple.
Tell them I say me I come right after this. My side, use a triple more cut. Chat, shoot on the triple chat. Don't make Fabi win way. Chat, use the triple go back.
Thank you so much, Kelly. Thank you. Come on, chat. Use the triple chat.
Triple.
Use the triple chat. Use
Mix
the
up people triple. Mix up people triple. Mix up people triple. Mix up people triple.
Chat. But they stop chat. Can I get nothing? Come on, chat. You.
That is so make sure I talk chat. It's so make sure I talk chat. My side, somebody use the triple in the chat. My side, use the triple in the chat. I want to make sure I talk in the chat. My side, somebody boom something in her head. They tell them I say don't move. Tell them I say me I come. My side, somebody boom something in her head. Man, the triple in, no? Somebody use the triple in the chat. Clot.
Some people from Fabi and the Lion Man top chat is like me don't really see Fabi again like one time in the media in a no look a idiot way certain. You know, so we don't really see her a certain way. You know what I mean? She not move like how she used to move when she and the Lion Man used to be and a this and ray. Me convinced right now when people say the Lion Man him bring out the toxicity out of the girl them when him deal with. Look on the other one named Ash. A long time we don't see that the one there. You know what I mean? And when him and the Lion Man a deal right through, she in the media certain way, be something. You know what I mean? We convince the Lion Man him bring out all of the bad ways them out of them woman. Yeah. Tell me what you think.
Tell them I don't move, I'm coming.
Yo, guys, thank you so much. Kelly, thank you. One bag of chat and nothing back of that.
J God, no answer that. Go over there, go ask her. No answer, suck your mama. No answer that. Fabi, you can't blood clot when somebody go snipe, you can't win.
You can't win, guys. You don't have to close for 30.
Somebody go blood clot snipe, you chat. Bumbo clot. Go on, boya.
Chat, drop your gloves pan 30, but somebody else snipe me. Chat, drop your gloves pan 30, chat.
Hey, I feel like I never feel like Interstellar so yet in your head. I feel it.
Interstellar?
I feel like Interstellar in your head. Wrap up in your head side. Watch this. Awumbawe.
Thank God miss you. The people then they over TT live I talk me a black something. But why me I go do that? Why me I go black? They say me a black the gifters them all our supporters. That makes sense?
Yeah, you're a moderator?
Yeah.
Come on for a moderator system.
Me tell her if you take me down and she have a boy over there tell her if you take me down. That make it even because me say yo.
Alright, Taje, listen. All you need to do, take yourself off the moderator and leave the whole thing alone. Alright? Remember, one you always remember say she depend the media now. People are gonna tell her a bag of things. Maybe she don't think for herself, she just do her thing. You understand me? Listen to people.
I make one that boy over there tell him like I wanna ex the last one.
Good morning, thank you guys. Morning guys.
Well, I love man like that. Love man too much man.
Hi Queen, good morning. Morning, pretty. Blessed morning to you. Taja, listen to me. Just come off of the moderator system. Leave that alone. You see, when time she said you allow everything alone, I bet you see a different result. Leave it alone. I mean, nobody feel like you want to push it upon the moderator system or nothing. Just leave TT. Even me see her upon the media, just leave her alone. You know?
So we said one gear line, so that makes sense with the black armor.
I agree.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it don't make no sense, but you can't control people in life, and you understand me? Everybody are going to do what they want. The people are going to get in our head. You understand me? The end of the day, just focus on you. Me tell you that over and over. Focus on you. Come off the moderator system. Leave that girl alone. Guys, thank you for tapping the screen. I go to me now have the nuggets because they start shoot for me over here and dragon and spit and everything already out of mouth.
I will say that.
Real talk. His wife, big up yourself, baby. You can't beg your money gun. Beg your money gun, show him for one money gun for him for me now. Guys, on beg on a stop. Guys, don't make you compete with this earlier. We come on. Just come out to come chat me out. Have to beat me as I come up. Guys, target reach 14. Man, we need understand that. 14 was that, guys? Thank you. Guys, don't make it run out. Guys, each person 1 rose. Alright, you should say yes. Each person 1 rose, guys.
Guys, get this please.
Guys, it run out. Each person 1 rose. Chat.
Come on, my side.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Come on, guys. Each person 1 rose. It run out. Murder, Samantha, blessing. Thank you, baby. Queen, bless up yourself for the rose. Thank you, guys. We're almost there, guys. Each person. Thank you, guys. We reach a target. Guys, thank you so much. Yeah, my bunny up back. Thank you for that, guys. Use a triple. Listen to me. I see you. You're nice man, you know. Remember me tell you, you know. And sometimes we see one just dwell and make negativity coming our way. And sometimes we dwell in a negativity, you understand? Sometimes we build with self in it and I want to see something else different. For somebody like you, you're very much nice, you can see that. You just clear up yourself. You understand?
So people, me I go say this to the youth here right now, say You have to be careful what you do. People in general, we have to be careful what we do. We have to be careful who we put out there on the front line. You see me? We have to be careful who we give with energy. We have to be careful who we give with spotlight. We have to be careful of the people that we bring around us. Because this person can be the nicest person and a humble person today. And you give them the highlight and them take it and forget the person that they were. You see me I say? Or the person that they pretended to be. You know what I mean? They become a monster upon you and drag you will bust them down. You see me? So you have to really careful because them people you nowadays, them just want an opportunity to bring you down. You see me I say? Them have a saying what them say, a frog and I think a scorpion. You know what I mean? The scorpion the one side over on a riverbank or something like that, and the scorpion and the frog over one side. So you know the frog can't swim. So the frog, boom, let the scorpion come on him back and carry him across, you know what I mean, the river. Right in at the middle of the river. You see me I say the scorpion sting the frog. You see me? Frog a Joan and Ray and ask the scorpion say, yo, why did you do that? You see me I say, him say it in him new you just in him nature to do that. You see me? My scorpion him sting. So trust people to be who they are. You know what I mean? Although some people hide who they are until at the perfect time for sure. Let me know what I think with people.
Focus on what you do on your work. Right, guys? Thank you so much. Guys, thank you. Everybody, guys, thank you so much. Guys, double tap your screen.
I want to ask you something.
What do I want to ask you something? Me said to Shanta,
use a laptop.
listen to me I say. Go call the police. Listen to me I say. Me said to Shanta, I say, Shanta. Me said to Shanta, I say, Shanta. Me said to Shanta, I say, Shanta. Shanta, it's Kelly or something.
Listen to
me I say, no. You not listen to me I say. You not listen at all. You not listen at all. You not listen. You're not gonna listen.
You can't do anything to you.
You not listen.
Things can switch up. Know what you say.
Are you make you say so?
You see it.
You should not back on. So that's all they can come say. You're not gonna listen. You're not parenting. You're not gonna listen. Me said to her, say, she lying. She a tell lie, she 10. What she said to you? Listen. You're not gonna listen. Listen. You have to listen. Me see her with Sean Kelly out there so with the sitting in her ears. The earphone. She just coming out with it. Me said to Shanta, give Kelly her earphone. And them argue by it. She said she never had the earphone. She never have it. The earphone, she coming out with it.
And she have it?
Yeah.
So you tell her,
me tell her, say, give me the earphone. She fling the earphone for me. Me get Kelly it. When she walk away, I trying to back chatting. See you? Oh. Excuse me, girl, I'm going outside. She threw the earphone for me. Fling it for me. And she walk away, be a back answer, she give me. She walk away and start the back answer. She talk to me. She talk. She talking about some type of way. Now so me raise her. For this me what you feel like? Well, that's good. It's okay. It's okay. No man, you don't like the truth. That is the truth, you never tell her that. I try to tell me a lie, me see her with it. So I've ever saw anything I'm to Chantal never sit down and tell me the truth or really I'm to her. She never so lie to me her mother. Me see her with it, me say give it to her. It's not yours. It's not yours. Just gonna tell me some can't talk to my pitney. Like me I kill at my pitney. You gonna come and go on as if me a ill treat the little girl. One day you actually ask me $5,000. I should look for me and tell me say $100 she lost. Like you make me know say lion and thief walk together. And from Chantal will tell her she was thief. You look for me and tell me say lion and thief walk together. Oh, me for have my pin on my can't tell me the truth. You lost $5,000, mommy knows somebody lost the 5, because she tell me say $100 she lost. We're not talking about that. We're not even talking about last night when the girl money she said $2,000. Me still not debate on that. Me see her with the headphone. I say go and give the girl that headphone because that cause argument. Kelly out there make like Laverne gonna start cuss. There are things. You don't need it. I 3 things you own. You own phone, tablet, and laptop. She fling it for me. I throw it for me, you know. She fling it for me. Almost on my face. And then when she fling on my face, she ready for us have attitude now. No, me not careless, girl. Me's her mother. Me not her school friend them. And you gonna tell me, so when me scroll my child, you gonna look for me and tell her, and I gonna tell her, I say, things must get better. You see her honestly, you come and tell your liquor, but why it have reached to that? Because what she not here, she want bite off me ears and spit it out. So me not pity shame me. One carry when I station and call the cops. One go call the police, let them come. Sometimes I go to prison and done. What happened?
I want to ask you, sir.
Where by one to ask you, sir?